In this media, you will learn about acceptance and entry into force of a resolution. Acceptance of resolution. The resolution is passed on to all contracting governments for acceptance once it is adopted. The communication about the adopted resolution is sent to all contracting governments by the Secretary General. In the earlier periods, the acceptance of a resolution was linked with the number of governments that had accepted it. IMO had to wait for years to have the sufficient number of governments on their side to implement a resolution. To absolve this issue, IMO introduced the tacit way of acceptance of a resolution. The meaning of tacit acceptance is accepted if not objected. It is the opposite of the earlier process, in other words, rejected if not accepted. A resolution is accepted under the tacit acceptance on an agreed time interval from adoption, provided it is not objected by a number of contracting governments. If 1/3 of the contracting governments, or contracting governments constituting not less than 50% of the world gross tonnage objects, then the resolution is objected. At the end of the given deadline, if any contracting government, keeping a silent stance, has neither accepted nor rejected the proposed resolution, it is implied, tacit, that government has accepted the resolution. Entry into force. The resolution enters into force when it is accepted by tacit way of acceptance or otherwise. The time of accepted resolution coming into force is specified in the respective conventions. Thus, you have learned about acceptance and entry into force of a resolution.